Hello, my lovelies. So today your friend Momita Shah is in front of you with beautiful collections of kaftan. So first of all, you have to take a look on this kaftan. It is pretty long for me, but I'm not wearing any heels. You can see just socks underneath. So if you wear heels, it can go like this and it is perfect to wear. My height is 5'4". So anybody is above that, 5'6", 5'7", 5'8". And other than India, there are girls who are actually tall. If I talk about Mauritius, Malaysia, Indonesia, yes, there are girls who are shorter also. So you can get it into your size also, as we have different varieties of sizes available in this section. Whether it's kaftan, whether it's dresses, anarkali, we have all types of varieties in our company. And the name of the company is Kesaria Textile Company. You must be aware because this is the best company of India and manufacturing company which is here from last 44 years. And if you believe, you can go to Google and search for the reviews which all of our customers has given there. So you can see more than 1,000 reviews over there, and you will believe our company. People from all over the world, from Mauritius, Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, whichever country you talk about, people are coming here. And if you are not able to come, they are purchasing from us through video call, because we give video call facility. We give you door-to-door service. That means we post you the garments to whichever country you want, because we have international shipping with us also, video call facility with us also. And if you are ordering it from India, we have cash on delivery too. So this is the only company which provides you so many varieties of facilities. You are just one stop away to start your own amazing business. So let me give you a look of this kaftan. It has a beautiful Swarovski and Jharkhand diamond on it, and sequins also. And look at this, it has beautiful linings and this whole pattern. Of course, you get all types of varieties, and we have different color variations. Of course, you can find many different varieties and different types of variations and different type of price ranges also here in this counter. The price starts from 399 rupees. Let's move to the second kaftan. Now, this kaftan is again a pretty color. It is having a very much tiger print look, but it is exactly not tiger print. But whenever anybody focuses on this type of chains, this gives you a feel of tigress. So this is a very pretty collection, and the USP of this particular dress is that you have this knot also, so you can tie it, you can lose it. And but whenever it comes to kaftan feels very good and comfortable, whether it's loose also, because it has that feeling of royalness. It doesn't need to be tightened on your body. It can be worn loose also. So yes, kaftan is a very good thing. Now let's come to the second one. This is a dress which it has a handwork, and a very aesthetic handwork is done on it. You can see it is having a beautiful pearl, but the pearl are pure white color pearl. So you can find pearls of different colors. There are pearl of white color, but this is a pure white color, which is every time not visible in all the dresses. It has a different pure white color and flower embodied in it, which is made up of thread and cotton pattern. So V-neck dress, and let me show you the dupatta. Dupatta is also very beautiful. The fabric is sort of cotton. I'm not sure about the fabric, but yeah, this is a very good fabric. On the bottom, it has a green color to color tone, matching pant. This, of course, anything you buy from us, you have to purchase set-wise also, because we're a B2B segment, we're not a B2C segment. So you have to take that in mind. Minimum 25,000 is the budget. Minimum set-wise you have to purchase, and you can purchase from anywhere in the world. Let's come to the third piece. Now, this is again a handwork piece. So if you are residing anywhere, you can purchase these products and earn very good profit margin on these products, because if other than India you're staying in other countries, there is a lot more demand of Indian wear. So if you purchase from Kesaria Textile Company, that will be your best decision, because we provide you everything in manufacturing cost only. And look at the trolley which is filled by our customer only. These are the shopping purchasing which the customer has done. So these type of trolleys are very common in KDC. We watch people buying so much stuff from here and going to their home, going to their shops, going to their regional country or city, and again coming after a month. There are customers who keep on coming in 15 days also. So what are you waiting for? The address are there on the screen, the number is there on the screen, everything is mentioned there. But still, if you have any confusion, you can always call us. Thank you.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया।